Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday, because we are in the middle of Glamoween. I am posting every Monday and Friday. As for today's video, we are doing a Beetlejuice glam, and it's this look right here. I'm so happy with how this turned out, all the techniques to get the little creases and this lip, you guys. Everything just goes so well together. So if you guys are ready to see how I got this look right here, then go ahead and keep watching my video. I woke up at 4:30 in the morning, actually 4 o'clock, but got up out of bed at 4:30 because I need to film this video. Actually, I filmed Mother Gothel yesterday. It just didn't turn out how I wanted it to. This is why I'm doing this. I was stressing about it yesterday because I really don't want to miss a day that I film. I'm just gonna go in with my eyebrows. We're gonna do this glam look today because I just need to be ready for the day. I'm gonna just make it fun, a fun Beetlejuice glam. I'll start by laying the eyebrows. I actually wanted to do the actual thing of Beetlejuice, but I need to find a wig, so I might just save it and not stress about it, and I might just save that for next Glamoween. We are just going to go in with our foundation. I'm such a liar. Thank God I remembered. We're going to go in with primer. So you want this to last all day. It is 5:18 in the morning. Now I put primer on. Now we're going to do the foundation. Yesterday, after I finished the look, even I was like staring at myself and I was like, I don't like it. The official thing was when I sent it to my husband and he roasted me. So if my family roasts me, then other people will definitely roast me, and not in a kind way. I wasn't proud of it. It didn't come out how I thought it was gonna come out. It looked like a different version, kind of a mixture of that lady in Shrek, you know, with the braid and the mole. It looked like she had a baby with Mother Gothel and it created me. So it's in the dark deep files. It's never coming out to see the light. I'm filming a TikTok, right? Just say my name. And the transitions are so freaking fast and hard to do. Maybe it's also because I'm tired too. But we're gonna contour right now. Now the transitions are just so fast. I'm like, y'all need to slow down. Hold on. I'm not there yet. I also woke up super freaking early because today's Damien's little first day of school type of stuff. It's a preschool, but it's not really like a preschool. He's only going in for 2 hours. It's like a movement preschool. They still teach them stuff, but he gets to be in there for 2 hours. It's his first day today. It's his like trial run. I think in January he's gonna go and actually start real preschool. But right now we're just kind of getting him set in stone just because he needs some movement around. We're gonna contour our jaws. I did some heatless curls, if you can't already tell. It's like, yeah, if I'm gonna do a look, I don't want to worry about my hair not being done. I just want to get up and go and get ready for this day. We're gonna add some bronzer. We're not. We're gonna do the super fucking off. We're gonna do the concealer last because I have a plan of like with my eyeshadow and the follow and everything. Yeah, no. As for eyeshadow though, I don't know what to do. Everything that I've seen is cute and all, but I don't like it. But I think we are gonna go in with a purple though. We're honestly playing it. We're playing with makeup today because I don't know what I'm following. I'm just playing with makeup. I hope it turns out great. Now that we got the purple down, I think, I don't know. I'm just gonna do the black effect. And we're gonna do this. It's crazy, I promise. But it is going to give that Beetlejuice effect. It's gonna do that because I feel like that looks cute. So I'm deciding that I'm gonna go in with this glitter. I figured out this freaking glitter the other day. How good it is. Like, look how good that is. I cannot. I'm just, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, now we can get down to business.
Can we get down to business?
Because I just finished filming the TikTok that I needed to film. That's why my lips are black. Foreshadowing. We're gonna do a black lipstick today. I do want to add the purple shadow to my bottom eyelid. I'm doing my makeup so weird today. Like, I usually would have done my eyeshadow first. Because I was filming a TikTok, I didn't. So now we're gonna add our concealer. Super weird. Now we're gonna lightly set it. Now that we set that, we are gonna go in with that lime green eyeshadow and we're gonna put it right here. And we're gonna bring it in. Honestly, I think that's all we're doing for the eye. We do need to add a liner, which I have this metallic green liner. Maybe I can just wing it and do something else because it's gonna move with water. See where I'm going with this? Now I'm just gonna finish this other eye off camera and then we can continue with the face. Both eyes are done. I added some yellow to the inner corners and then green again just to make it a little bit lighter. But we are gonna come back to these eyebrows because they are, I don't know what the hell is going on with them. And then add some color into them, into the empty areas. Beautiful, beautiful. I like this look better already than I did Mother Gothel. Just saying. We're gonna go in with the bronzer and bronze our face up again because we took some out. We're gonna go in with our matte blush, my favorite fall blush ever. This is You Had Me at Merlot. Yeah, I feel like face just needs to be very simple, not much glitter because the eyes are literally the star. The eyes and the lips for this video. We're gonna add some highlight. Now we're gonna set our entire face. We didn't add concealer to our chin or anything. I think we're gonna just set our under eyes real quick. We are gonna work on the lips. Just gonna add some black liner. We're gonna grab some green eyeshadow. We're gonna pucker our lips and press. So yeah, you have to really press your lips in because I was like, trying to be all cute. No, you gotta. All that there is left to do is clean up the shadow and put some lash and some mascara on. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is my Beetlejuice glam for the day. I am so happy with how it turned out. I love the lip, I love the eye, I love everything about it. It's just so glittery. It's very glam and I'm here for it. Still in the little spooky season. You can honestly use this with your Beetlejuice outfit. Like, just get a white and black suit with stripes on it or something and people will know you're Beetlejuice, but the glam version, you know? But yes, you guys, we are officially halfway through Glamoween. We only have a couple more videos left to go and then Glamoween will be over. So definitely stay tuned for those videos coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherre Boutique, and I will be back with more videos.